Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to use the CAPCUT Premium on your system for free. How to use the CAPCUT Premium on your system for free. The first thing you will do, if you are using a window, you visit the Microsoft Store, and if you are using the Mac OS, you visit the Apple Store to download it. So since I'm using a window, I will visit the Microsoft Store, okay, to get my CAPCUT. Alright, when the Microsoft Store open, you go to the search bar and you type CAPCUT to make it easy. Alright, you type CAPCUT to make it easy. And you must be connected to internet. Okay, you must have internet connection on your system for all this to work. Okay, since I have it installed in my system already, it will be showing me installed or update. But if you don't have it installed in your system, this part, all you'll be seeing is what's installed. Alright, so since I have it installed in the system, I'll just go and open it. So once you open the CAPCUT, this is how the environment is going to look like. This is how the environment is going to look like. So before you start creating, there's one step you need to take. You need to create a folder. Okay, you need to create a folder. You want to create a folder now. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll create a folder and I'll name it CAPCUT new. Okay, I'll name it as CAPCUT new. So when I open my CAPCUT app, I'll go to setting. You go to setting and you click on setting. Now where you have save to, where you have this save to, you are going to click on it and set the new folder you created to it. Okay, you are going to set the new folder. This is it, CAPCUT new. You set the new folder you created to it. So it has been set to it now. So all CAPCUT projects will be entering this folder. All CAPCUT projects will be entering this folder. So when you are done, you click on save. So now if you want to create a video, or let's create a video and we make use of all premium features we want to use and see how we can export in 4K, 2K or 1080 format. So now this is the CAPCUT environment. The next thing we need to do is to import our video or our images. So I have some images here for a portfolio that I want to mesh together, and I want to add some premium features to it. So all I need to do is just to copy all my images, then I import it to CAPCUT. So I have all my images here. Right, so I have all my images here. All I need to do is to arrange them the way I want. So these are my images. I want to arrange them the way I want. Now these images, since I've imported these images, I will add so these are the pictures that I want to use to create a video. These are the pictures that I want to use to create a video. So I'll be adding some premium features. And how do we differentiate between premium features and the non-premium features on CAPCUT? So for instance, if I want to add a filter, I want to add a filter to this image. Now all these features that are having this blue diamond sign on it, those are the premium features that if you don't subscribe to CAPCUT Premium, you cannot use them. Those one having this diamond, and practically almost all nice and good features on CAPCUT today are having the diamond sign, because they want you to pay for it before you make use of it. Alright, but in this video I'll be showing you how to use all this premium for free. So if I add this filter to my image, and let's say I want to export, now it's showing that I have a pro feature. I'm using a pro feature, which means I cannot export without payment. I cannot export without payment. So how to get rid of this, I will show you. So let us continue. So now I've added a premium filter to it. Now I want to add my animation. I want to add my transition to this. I want to add, and if you check it very well, the most important features you need on CapCut are the ones having the premium sign on it. Alright, so I want to add transition to this. So when I'm done, we will see how we can export. So I'm adding this transition. So after adding the transition, we can now export. So I'm done adding the transition. So after adding the transition, let's add maybe a sound. So now we've added a background sound to this. So let us export and see. So if I want to export this using the premium feature, as you can see, look at all the premium feature that I'm using, which means I cannot export this video without paying for the premium package of CapCut. Alright, so how do we eliminate this? All you need to do is to what? Press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Press Ctrl A on your keyboard, or just use your mouse to highlight everything. Alright, use your mouse to highlight everything, all the things you have, all the things that are associated with that video or that picture you are trying to create on CapCut, or the video you are trying to edit, everything associated with it. Just highlight everything. When you highlight everything, you now right click on your mouse and you click on create compound clips. Create compound clips, okay? Or when you press Ctrl A, you can press Alt G, create compound clip. Now as you can see, we have created a compound clip. Everything has become one. Alright, everything has become one. The next thing you do is to right click again and click on pre-process compound clip. Don't forget, the first time you click on create compound clip, while the second time you click on pre-process compound clip. Okay, so the compound clip we created the first time, if you want to undo it, you can click on undo compound clip, but you don't need to click on that. Alright, because if you don't create a compound clip, there's no way you can see this pre-processed compound clip. Alright, so the next thing you do, you click on this pre-processed compound clip and you wait for it to reach to 100%. You wait for it to reach 100%. Okay, now the speed of this pre-processing depends on the length of your video, on how heavy your video is, and also your internet connection. Most time it doesn't need internet connection to pre-process. You just have to wait for it. It depends on the length of the video. Alright, so it depends on the length of the video. So you wait for it to reach 100% first before you can proceed from here. So we're going to wait till you reach 100%. Alright, as you can see, our pre-processing has been done successfully. Okay, now that the pre-processing has been done, let us play it and see. Everything is moving fine. So now you cannot export this way yet. All you need to do is to go to media. Okay, click on import, then go to that folder you created, the new folder you created at first. So you go to that folder. This is the new folder we created. So you are going to open the folder. Before then, you see the ID. Okay, the video ID is 1005. So you are going to see that ID in your folder. Alright, let's do it again. You click on import, you open the folder you created initially, okay, which is the CapCut Pro, the folder you created. That is where everything is entering. Click on the folder, you open it. Now you click on CapCut draft, you open it. Now this is the ID of your video, as you can see, is here. So you click on the ID, you open it, everything you need, it is there. So when you get to this part, you click on resources. Your video is under resources and you click on combination. Now this is the video. Now this one is the one that is on the CapCut currently. So you are going to import this into the CapCut and export it to any format you want. Now you cannot use it like this because it will not be clear and it will not be in good rendering, and some device may not be able to play it. So you still have to bring it in and export it properly. So you click on the video, you open it. Now this is the video. We're going to drag this in now. Then we're going to delete this one. We're going to delete this one. Now you can export the video now, and it will show you that you are using a premium feature. As you can see, you can export now. So I can export this video in 720, 480, 1080, 4K and 2K. So we're going to export this video in 2K, and you see. So we're exporting the video now. We're going to export it in 2K, and you see the effects. Now our video has been exported successfully. So we are going to play. Let's go and check the video. Let's play it and see what we have done so far. So this is our video. Let's play it and see. So this is how you can use the CAPCUT Premium on your system without payments. With this, you can create any video, edit any video of your choice. If this video is useful to you, please do not forget to like, share, and click on the subscribe button for more interesting videos like this. Thank you.